What's up, guys? I'm Alan Branch from Carolina Fitness. I'm here with my man, the champ, Derek Sellis.
What's
Don't
up,
leave me hanging, man.
Oh, sorry.
And today we're talking specialty bars. All right, Derek, so we've got several different choices of different types of bars. We'll start with the trap bar. I'm personally a fan. Tell me some of the benefits of using a bar like this.
Perfect. Yeah, so the one thing that's really good about a trap bar is that it takes a lot of pressure off the back like a barbell would. So instead of all the weight being kind of pulled back into your spine, it's actually all going to be centralized. So you're not going to feel as much. You get to get a lot more of the leg drive that you want out of a deadlift, and it actually helps you with the neutral grip. Instead of the bar being out front where your shoulders are going to be compromised, now you can actually get better in a deadlift position.
Well, also, without the barbell on your back, you're giving your spine a break from some of that compression.
Correct.
And trap bar could be used for farmer's carries and some other stuff as well.
Exactly. There's a whole lot of uses for it.
So other bars, and most people are familiar with just a standard Olympic barbell. These are all a little different. Talk to me about this one.
This is just a typical tricep, bicep accessory bar. So you can load it up. It keeps your hands in a neutral position, and you can actually work, exactly. You can work your triceps, you can do curls with it. It's a great variation without having to use like a regular size utility bar.
Okay, so this one's pretty interesting.
Yeah, so this, one of my favorite bars. This is a Swiss bar or a football bar. As you can see, you got multiple grips to choose from, and what this does is it puts a bench in a neutral position. So you're gonna actually get a different workout in your chest and your shoulders. It's gonna take a lot of stress off your shoulders that a bench press is gonna do with your grip being turned. So this is one of the greatest bars to train with. It's gonna help you load up your chest really well and really build some strength.
Sweet. And then the last one we have, just a standard easy curl
it's just
bar.
our normal Medusa Curl Bar. It's a great value for a curl bar. It can be used in a commercial or a residential setting. And as you can see, you can curl, you can do tricep workouts with it as well. So it's a great bar to have just in your arsenal.
Well, guys, there you have it. Just a look at some of the specialty type bars you can use. These things give not only a different way to work out, but add some variety to your workouts. If it's your home gym, change it up a little bit. If you're a gym owner, the more variety that you have, the more variety your clients will have, making the gym a better overall experience. So thanks for joining us. I'm Alan Branch, Carolina Fitness, and your teacher today, the man, the champ, Derek Sellis. We'll see you next time.